Hello, it's Mr. Washahi again. In this video we're going to be talking about and taking notes on improper fractions. I included this little cartoon just so you can visualize and see how you can identify an improper fraction. If you look what's going on here, well, let's assume that's let's say that's big brother holding up little brother. Okay, it's easy because he's a lot smaller than big brother. He's light. However, if you look on the other side, well, you got little brother picking up big brother. Well, they don't look too happy because big brother weighs a lot more than little brother, and let's just say that would be improper to see that because someone's going to get hurt. So that's essentially what an improper fraction would look like when you have the numerator greater than the denominator. So let's add that to our definition of what an improper fraction is. It's a fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay, numerator is greater than the denominator. I'm going to highlight my key terms, or underline my key terms. Alright, so in this case this will be 8/3, or 8 over 3. Alright, well, let's go some other examples. Any fraction that has a numerator greater than the denominator, you can do 12 over 5, 3 over 2. They're infinite amounts. So let's visualize one of these. I'm going to draw some boxes. I'm going to divide those boxes into fourths. So one box is one whole, or better yet, 4 fourths. For instance, okay, I'm going to shade in my boxes. So here I shaded in 4 of the 4. Here I shaded in 4 of the 4. And here I'm only going to shade in 1 of the 4. So 1/4. Oops, sorry. So if I look at it, well, if I want to know how many little squares I shaded in, well, I just add them. I add 4 right here, 4 right here, that's 8, and then one more, that's 9 of the 4. Okay, so that's 9/4. So that's exactly how you would visualize an improper fraction. Or let's say, okay, well, if I have 4/4, that means I have one whole right here, and then I have another whole right here, but here I only have 1/4. Well, that's equivalent to 2 and 1/4. Alright, so these two numbers are equivalent. So you got the visualization, you got the improper fraction, and then you got the mixed number version, which we're going to talk about in another lesson. So if you ever want to convert an improper fraction to a mixed number, just remember, with an improper fraction, division is the action. A little rhyme right there. You just divide. Remember, numerator divided by denominator. So let's use the same example. If I got 9 over 4, well, that's 9 divided by 4. 4 goes into 9 twice with a remainder of 1/4. So it'll be 2 and 1/4. 2 and 1/4. Another example is, let's say I had 13 over 12. Well, that's 13 divided by 12. So it goes in there once with a remainder of 1/12. So it's 1 and 1/12. So that's how you would convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. Okay, and both of these are equivalent. They're equal to each other. They just look differently depending on how you would want to visualize them. Or you could even draw a picture. Okay, so you've got some practice problems on converting improper fractions to mixed numbers. So remember, with an improper fraction, division is the action.